Hello everyone, my name is Kishori Abdul, Department of Computer Science from AGM College, Karad. Today I am going to deliver lecture on control statement. Okay, many programs contain alternative statement, alternative condition, and need to take decision depending upon the expression. At that time, we use different control statement. Okay, it is necessary to check alternative statement as per the expression and execute the statement repeatedly until the result is found. At that time we use control statement. Okay, C language provide multiple control statement. First one is if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else ladder, and at last switch statement. Okay, let us see. First statement is if statement. Okay, if statement is a simple decision making statement in C language. It is a two-way decision making statement. Okay, it provides the result as per the expression. Okay, let us see the syntax. If in bracket expression curly bracket open statement semicolon curly bracket close. Okay, this is the syntax of if statement. To define if statement we use if keyword. In expression we check multiple conditions and provide decision or result. In statement, if the expression is true, then the statement is executed. If the expression is false, then statement is skip. Okay, let us see the flow of if statement. First we check the expression or condition. For that we use diamond box or decision making box. Okay, here we test expression. Okay, if the expression is true, then statement is executed. If the expression is false, then the statement is skip. Okay, this is about if statement. Next statement is if else statement. In if statement we check the expression. If expression is true, then the statement is executed, or if expression is false, then statement is skip. But sometimes we need to take alternative decision, means either true or false. At that time we use if else statement. Okay, syntax of if else statement is if in bracket expression curly bracket open statement 1 semicolon curly bracket close else curly bracket open statement 2 semicolon curly bracket close. Okay, if the condition is true, then statement 1 is executed. If the condition is false, then statement 2 is executed. Let us see the flow diagram of if else statement. Here first we check the expression. Okay, here we first check the expression. If expression is true, then statement 1 is executed. Okay, if statement is false, then statement 2 is executed. Statement 2 is executed. Let us see the example of if and if else statement. Okay, suppose a program. In that program we need to check if the given condition or given value is negative. Okay, then if in bracket if value of n is less than 0, then first the printf statement number is positive. Okay, bracket complete, semicolon, curly bracket close. Now we see nested if else statement. Okay, if clause and else part contains compound statement. If we use another if else statement in if statement, the whole statement is called as nested if else statement. Okay, let us see the syntax. Here we define two expression 1 and expression 2. Okay, if the expression 1 is true, then control goes to the statement 1. Okay, means it prints statement 1. Okay, if the expression is false, then control goes to the else part of the syntax and it again checks another expression. If the expression is true, then it prints statement 2. Okay, let us see the example. Here we check three numbers a, b and c. Here we find out either a greater, either b greater or either c greater. Okay, here we use if statement. In that we write first expression a is greater than b, another expression is a is greater than c, and third expression is b is greater than c. Okay, if both the statements are true, then it prints a is largest. Why? Because here we take value of a is greater than b, value of a is greater than c. Okay, that's why it prints a is largest. If the expression is false, then control goes to the else part. Here it again checks another condition, value of b is greater than c. If it is true, then it prints b is largest. If the expression is false, it goes to the else part and it prints c is largest. Next is else if ladder. Okay, if there we use if else statement in each else of a if else, then it construct else if ladder. Okay, let us see the syntax of else if statement. Here we use if expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. Okay, here we check all the expression. If expression 1 is true, then statement 1 is executed. If expression is false, then control goes to the another part, means else if. Here it checks the condition. If statement is true, then if expression is true, then statement 2 is executed. If expression is false, then control goes to the else if part. Again it checks the expression 3. If it is true, then statement 3 is executed. If none of the expression is true, then control goes to the else part of the program, means it prints statement 4. Okay, okay, next switch case statement. Switch case statement is also called as multiple branch decision making statement. Okay, it checks multiple value and each value is called as case. Okay, let us see the syntax. Here we use switch keyword to define syntax of the switch case statement. In switch we write expression and according to this expression we check multiple cases. Here we write case 1 colon. Here we check expression 1. If it is true, then it prints statement 1. If it is false, then it breaks the statement and control goes to the another case, means case 2. Here it again check expression 2. If it is true, then it prints or execute statement 2. If it is false, it break the statement. Break is an optional part. Okay, if it is false, then control goes to the default statement. If none of the expression is true, then automatically it goes to the default statement. Okay, let us some example. If we want to print days of the week, okay, how many days in week? 7 days. Okay, in switch we write here day. Okay, in case 1 we check first day. Okay, in case 2 we check second day. In first we write Sunday. Okay, second we write Monday. Monday